Today I am reviewing the AMD Ryzen 5 9600X 6-core. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're a gamer or a content creator looking for high-end desktop performance, the AMD Ryzen 5 9600X is one of the most compelling options on the market right now. This 6-core, 12-thread processor is built on AMD's advanced Zen 5 architecture, providing exceptional multi-core performance while keeping single-core tasks lightning fast. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on demanding software, this CPU delivers the power you need to handle it all smoothly. One of the most impressive features of the Ryzen 5 9600X is its max boost clock speed of 5.4 GHz. That means, in high-performance scenarios, your processor can ramp up to extremely fast speeds, giving you higher frame rates in gaming or quicker rendering times in creative applications. And because this chip is unlocked, enthusiasts can overclock it to push the limits even further, extracting every ounce of performance possible with the right cooling solution. Speaking of cores and threads, the Ryzen 5 9600X has 6 physical cores and 12 threads, which makes multitasking a breeze. You can play modern AAA games, stream to your favorite platforms, and run background applications all at once without bottlenecking your system. The 38 MB cache also helps reduce latency and improves overall efficiency, so you get smooth and consistent performance whether you're gaming, editing, or compiling code. Another standout feature is DDR5 memory support up to 5,600 MHz, which ensures your system can take advantage of the latest high-speed memory for faster data access and improved responsiveness. Combined with PCIe 5.0 support on compatible motherboards, this processor is ready for next-generation GPUs and storage devices, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to build a future-proof desktop. The Ryzen 5 9600X is designed for AMD's Socket AM5 platform, which means you'll need a compatible motherboard, but this platform offers all the modern connectivity standards and expandability options you'd expect from a cutting-edge desktop build. Do note that the cooler is not included, so pairing this CPU with a quality aftermarket cooler is essential, especially if you plan to overclock or want to keep temperatures under control during long gaming sessions. Performance-wise, this CPU shines in gaming. With 100+ FPS and popular AAA titles, you can enjoy smooth, tear-free gaming experiences even at high resolutions when paired with a capable GPU. For creators, it also excels in video editing, 3D rendering, and multitasking applications, thanks to its multi-threaded capabilities. It truly hits the sweet spot for gamers and power users who need both raw performance and versatility. Overall, the AMD Ryzen 5 9600X delivers impressive speed, efficient multitasking, and future-ready features in a single processor. Whether you're upgrading your gaming rig, building a high-performance workstation, or just want a processor that can handle today's and tomorrow's demanding applications, the Ryzen 5 9600X is a solid, reliable choice.